How to request to cancel a whatnot order. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to request a cancellation on whatnot order. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So first of all, let's head over to whatnot and keep in mind that cancellation is only possible before the seller ships the item, and only you will be able to request a cancellation. For that, once you open up the whatnot application, what you can do is you can look out for activity section and tap on it, and there go ahead and look out for your purchases here. Once you are here, you can select the order that you want to cancel, and you can look out for a cancel order button. That will only appear if the seller has not created a shipping level yet, and you can just go and confirm the order, cancellation of the order, and go ahead and confirm it up, and that should do it. If the product has already been shipped or a seller has already printed the shipping level, then you cannot cancel it. The timing really matters, and if the item has already shipped, you'll need to follow the return process instead. If not that, you can directly also contact the seller. You can head over to the page and directly contact them by tapping on message or something like that. If the seller does not respond, you can even contact the whatnot support. Go to your account for that and scroll down and look out for contact us and tap on it, and there look out for order issues, tap on my purchases. After that, go ahead and select up your order there and include your order ID and reason for cancellation. And if the cancellation is successful, your payment is refunded to your original method. And that's it. Usually that is how you should be able to request a cancel on whatnot orders. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.